7 ways to make extra money from home, $100 plus per day. Hey, are you looking to make money from your house and you don't know what to do? Well, you're gonna love this video, because in this video I'm going to show you 7 ways you can make money from home, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm J.R. Fisher. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, do me a favor, subscribe below, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell. Don't forget, ring the bell. You got to turn on your notifications, and once you hit that bell down there, make sure you turn on all notifications. Also, at the end of this video, I've got a free e-commerce course for you. It's a $97 value, but you can get it absolutely free. There's a link in the description below. Now, if you haven't been to our channel before, let me tell you a little bit about us. I've been selling online since 2009, and I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products. And on this channel, I share with you all the tips, tricks, and secrets to start, run, and grow your online business. All right, let's get to it, and let's look at 7 ways you can make money from home, and we're starting right now. Okay, there's all kinds of levels of people. Some people want to make a little extra money on the side to maybe pay their rent, make a car payment. Some people want to replace their job. Well, in this video, these 7 ways here can do both of those for you, depending on how much time you want to spend on it. Now, I'm going to take you to a site right now, and it's called usertesting.com. Let's go on over there right now, and let's look at usertesting.com. Okay, I'm at usertesting.com, and there's all kinds of little tabs up here, but basically what this site is, it's a site where you can actually look at other people's site and give opinions and earn money. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to play the demo right here. Okay, so let's watch this video now so you can see how it works.
Go on to the next task, and I'm going to add a recipe or 2 to my grocery list. Add an individual item or 2 to my grocery list. Next, try removing a recipe from my grocery list. How would I do that? Okay, let me get started with that. So I'm going to go ahead and add this, and I'm not sure. I would expect to be able to add something up here. Want to try favorite or share. Okay, I don't see it there. I'm looking for the word add or grocery list. Okay, so I found it here. It was just not quite where I expected. Okay, and in order to add it to a grocery list, it appears as though I need to join. Or perhaps I can check it out, which is a nice option.
Okay, so here's the part where you're going to make money. You click the tab here that says get paid to test. Okay, so you can earn up to $60 per test. All you have to do is these 3 steps. Let me zoom in here a little bit. You visit a website or an app. You complete the set of tasks speaking your thoughts out loud. That's all you got to do. All you do is talk. If you aren't even a good typist, you can do this, and you get paid. Okay, so let's just jump in here real quick, and I'm going to put an email address in here so that we can see how it works. And it's really as simple as putting in your email, and boom, you're there. Now you're going to have to go and verify your email address. You're going to be sent to this page right here. So let's go ahead and verify it. Okay guys, and that's all you really have to do, and this company will pay you for going to these websites and just giving your opinion. Okay, so the next one I want to show you is called trymyui.com. So let's run over there, and it's very similar. They'll actually pay you to look at these different websites. Okay, so I'm at trymyui.com, and we're going to click this button here where it says get paid to test. So I click that button there, and it says become a Try My UI tester. It says get paid to use websites and apps and give your honest feedback. At Try My UI, we will help make the web easier for everyone to use by letting designers and coders see the obstacles that real people run into. Now you're going to have to apply here, and you're going to put in your name and all this stuff, and it will walk you through, and it will pay you just like it pays on the other site. So if we look at pricing here, it says sign up now to get your first user test absolutely free. One user's videos, audios, and written results up to 20 minutes. Personal account is 1 test and credit. Now this is if you're actually going to use it and test your site here. So this is how the actual companies that use this site have to pay to use this. And this is how you're going to ultimately get paid too. So all you got to do is sign up for it, and you can start making money. Okay, the next site we're going to go to, number 3, is userlytics.com. So let's run over to userlytics.com. Let me show you how that works. Okay, this is userlytics.com. Now this one here is kind of tough to find the area because this is really all designed, to promote their site to a company that wants to use it. But if you look way up in the top corner here, you have tester login and tester sign up. So you would click for tester sign up right here, and then it tells you what they do. You register and earn money, you interact with web or mobile app, very similar to the other one I showed you, and you get paid via PayPal. And then if you zoom in a little bit here, it says once your test results have been approved, you do have to be approved to be a tester on here. Depending on your test project, you can be paid $5, $10, $15, or $20 or other amounts. Some of our projects pay as much as $90 for having fun expressing your opinions while navigating the web. I mean, it's crazy. And the only requirements down here says I agree to the terms, and you got to be 16 years old. So that is another way you can make money online. There's so many of these things. Okay, it's really pretty amazing. They've got a video right here that explains it. Let me just play that real quick.
Sign up and start earning money testing websites and apps. This is your dashboard. Complete your profile to 100% to increase your chances of receiving invitations. When a test matches your profile, you will be invited to participate. You are all set up. It's easy and fun to give feedback on apps and websites. Once your test is approved, you will receive the payment in your PayPal account within 15 days.
Guys, it's that simple. Now, the one key thing here was the more complete your application is, the more likely you are to get tests. So make sure you fill that out as much as you possibly can. Now, the next one I want to tell you about is called respondent.io. So let's go ahead and run over there now, and we're going to check out respondent.io, another way for you to make money. Okay, so here we are at respondent.io. Make sure this is io, not .com, and you click here for respondents. This is for the people who want to make money, okay? And you click there, and you get paid for participating in research studies. So you click here to sign up, and you're going to be brought to this page here. Now, you can log in with either Facebook or LinkedIn. I'm going to go ahead and log in with Facebook real quick. Okay, now they want a phone number and they want a date of birth, and I don't really want to sign up all the way here, but that's really all you do. And once you do that, they'll send you the instructions. Up here there's a browse projects, and then you can look at all the different projects there, but you do have to complete this sign up first. I just don't want to get on their list, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, the next site I want to take you to is called Fiverr.com. Now, Fiverr.com has all different levels of expertise, but I want to look at 2 in particular. The first one is proofreading, and the second one is writing, and then maybe spokesperson. So let's go on over there real quick and check it out. Okay, so I'm at Fiverr.com right now. So I'm not going to log in or anything, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and put spokesperson. Because if you can talk, you can do this, okay? That's all you got to be able to do is talk. So if you look here, people have posted in here, and this is what you would do, is you'd post a little video of you talking, and they have different levels here, and you can see some of them are $40, $40, $25. This one here starts at $250, okay? Let's look at a lower price one first, and then we'll look at that expensive one to see what the difference is. So you create your little, information in here. This guy here's got 5 stars, 775 reviews. Now, for $40, what he will do is he will do a white background only with a script touch-up, okay? That's his basic ones, and he will speak 50 words for $40. 50 words for $40. That's what I said. Let's look at his little intro here real quick.
Hi, welcome to this exclusive Fiverr gig offering a white background, a green screen, or an image or video in the background. My green screen video is recorded on a well-lit, high-quality green screen. Then, it's keyed using optimum digital settings for easy editing. Also, my videos are color-corrected and audio-enhanced. If you want a background image, I can place an image or video that you provide, or I have a few images available. Just tell me what you need. I can also add images or lines of text. Packages include the first 50 words. When you order, just put in the number of words in your script. There's no limit. Use a website like wordcounter.net to figure out your word count. In the last 4 years, I've delivered literally hundreds of videos, and before that, I was a professional actor who worked for dozens of large national companies. I don't do testimonials. I cannot say that I'm an employee of your company, and I cannot ask for money. And please, no profanity. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. I look forward to helping you.
Okay guys, so that's pretty easy. Now what I want to do is go back to Fiverr real quick, and let's look at that one that we saw. I'm back on the screen here. That was $250. Now this guy, let's go back to him real quick. One thing I forgot to tell you is he has different levels. So he's got his basic at 40, he's got his standard at 45, and then he's got a premium at 50. Okay, so you get different ones, and you can compare the packages here, and this is all built inside of Fiverr, so you don't have to build this. All you do is add your amounts in there. All this is built inside Fiverr. But let's go back to this other person that was asking $250. So let's see what you get for 250 bucks. Okay, so this one here is a spokesperson video and chat bot. For $250, you will get 8 days delivery, chat bots, you get 10 conversation steps, spokesperson videos, you'll get 75 words for 250 bucks. Now, would you speak 75 words for 250 bucks? I probably think you would. That's pretty good income, right? And this person here, if we look at an overview, you've got a description right here of what all you get, and you could just, if you don't know what to put in here, the thing to do is just pull one up and do one similar to it. It's that easy. Okay, number 6 is Upwork.com. So let's run over there, check out Upwork.com, and I'll show you some of the things you can make money on. Okay, I'm here at Upwork.com, and you would have to sign up right here. That's all you got to do. But let's just look at some of the areas that you can make money, okay? So I'm going to put in a web development right here. Now, I don't know if you have talents in this area or not, but if you do, it's a great thing to look at. Now, these people here work in WooCommerce. This person here is a full stack developer. These people are getting $140 an hour, $50 an hour. This one here is a developer at 65 bucks an hour. WordPress developer front end, 100 bucks an hour. Basically, WordPress is not that hard to learn. This is something you could learn to do this, okay? But let's go to some of the other categories in here. They got mobile development. Let's look at design and see what that consists of. Short-term tasks, let's see here. Conversion rate specialist, a graphic designer. Graphic designers charging 55 bucks an hour. T-shirt designers making 45 bucks an hour. Graphic designer, WordPress web, $38 an hour. There's a lot of money to be made in here. Maybe you can write. We look at the writing tab right here. This person here is an experienced book and article editor, 40 bucks an hour. This person's charging 60 bucks an hour for writer, marketer, and specialist. This person here is, let's see, expert copywriter, $125 an hour. There's a lot of money to be made in a lot of these sites, guys. All you got to do is have a little bit of talent, a little bit of skills. It doesn't take much. And if you don't, let's say you don't, look at admin support here. Admin support, this person here is just creative and detail oriented. In other words, they'll answer the phones, they'll do whatever, but they want $42 an hour. Executive assistant, $40 an hour. Digital marketer, virtual assistant, $49 an hour. This person here's a writer and digital marketer, $65 an hour. If you could write, you can charge some pretty high rates on Upwork.com. Okay, and the last one I want to share with you is a site called Clarity.com. Now, if you feel like you're an expert in any area whatsoever, this is the site you want to go to. So let's run over there right now. Okay, so we're at Clarity.com. Now, all this is advice. Okay, so companies will pay you to give your advice in a particular area, whether it's fundraising, marketplaces, social media marketing. Let's just pick on social media marketing here real quick. So I picked that category, and this guy here, Tyler Wagner, says he's a best-selling author, founder of Authors Unite in Miami Beach. I help others become profitable and scale their businesses. So he says he's an expert in social media marketing, entrepreneurship, digital marketing, and digital publishing, and he charges $8.33 a minute. a minute. Okay, this guy charges $8.33 a minute. So you can request a call by clicking a button here. So if I wanted to talk to him, I would click there and I put in whatever my message is, and I set my estimated length of this conversation. So the minimum is 15 minutes. In 15 minutes he's going to make $125. Then you go to 30 minutes, which is $250, or 1 hour, which is $500. He charges $500 an hour, guys. So if you've got any expertise in any of these areas, you know, you can set the time here and you set it up. This guy will talk to you for $125 for 15 minutes, or $250 an hour. And then you look through here, this person here wants $5 a minute. All of these are quoted in minutes. Here's the cheapest one I've seen here, and this is Al Hassan. He says he's an e-commerce digital marketer and CRO, and he's good at coaching, and he charges $60 an hour. It's $2 a minute right there. So you can look through all these, and you know, well, there's a cheaper one. There's $1.67, but still, this is way more than what, you know, you would make in the marketplace, you know, working on a job. This guy here is $16 per minute. Let's just check out this one here. He says he's an entrepreneur. He loves products and marketing. He lives in Los Angeles. He's raised $12 million on Kickstarter and Indiegogo. Let's talk startups, marketing. All right, so if we click on his minimum is 15 minutes for $250. Okay, but let's click the little drop down. He'll do 1 hour for $1,000. 1 hour. Okay, so yeah. There's some money to be made here, guys. Okay, doesn't take much to set up one of these Clarity accounts and put yourself out there and answer questions and talk to people. It's really that simple. Okay, so we've covered 7 different ways you can make money online, and none of these require you to invest any money. It's just a little bit of your time and you can make money. I mean, it's really that simple. Now I want to know in the comments below, which of these ideas do you think is best for you? Which one do you think would work for you? Or have you tried some other ones that you would like to suggest to other people? Put that in the comments below. Don't forget, if you haven't done it already, to subscribe to my channel. That's super important. Click that notification bell. Looks like this right next to that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on all notifications so that I can let you know. You'll be part of the VIP family. I'll let you know when I do new videos. I'll let you know when I have upcoming videos. Okay, you'll be notified when I go live. That's pretty cool stuff. So don't forget to do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.